How to create a BuzzFeed-style quiz. What's a BuzzFeed-style quiz? If you've never taken a BuzzFeed quiz, I'll walk you through them. The real star of BuzzFeed-style quizzes is the media. These are neat pictures, videos, and audio. They use trendy and fit content that appeals to the users. And this is why they're so fun to answer. How can you make one, you ask? You're in luck. Because you can create a BuzzFeed-style quiz with Online Exam Maker. You can search Online Exam Maker on google.com, then go to onlineexammaker.com. The very first step in making a quiz in Online Exam Maker is to sign up for a new account. After you log into Online Exam Maker dashboard, you will see a navigation bar on the left of the dashboard. You can manage exams, questions, training courses, and students in one place. In Online Exam Maker, you can upload or import your currently made questions in an Excel or Word document to the question bank. You can click the Select File button to upload your questions in Word or Excel format. After your questions are uploaded successfully, you can preview the questions of the BuzzFeed-style quiz in the question bank. Click the exams and select the exam list on the sidebar. Then click the New Exam button to create your new BuzzFeed-style quiz. After your quiz is created, you can fill in the information about the quiz, including the quiz title and its category. In the step of adding your question, click Add Question button, and search for the question you have created from the previous step. You can select any settings from this section to add to your exam. If you want, you can set the exam settings, such as the duration of the exam and whether students can retake the exam. After reviewing the quiz and making necessary adjustments, you can now publish the exam, share it with your students, and wait for them to answer the quiz. Analyze results. After candidates completed the test, Online Exam Maker will calculate the exam score and generate insightful reports automatically. Head to Question Bank and then Question List in the sidebar. You will see the exam taken number in the top right corner of the exam table. After clicking the number, you can view the exam taken records of candidates. You can view statistical exam reports by clicking Statistics. In this section, you can view detailed reports about your exam in different aspects, including scores, questions, pass rates, form information, and more.